Well, lately I've been working on some circuitry using SMD components, and I'm breadboarding it out, and I was using a piece of perf board and soldered the IC onto the perf board, and after I blew it up and I need to make another one, I decided I'm no more of this soldering and desoldering. For one, I could buy dip components, but this particular one doesn't even, manufacturer doesn't make it in a breadboard compatible format. So other than buying a circuit board that does this, well, even then if I blow it up, then I have to buy lots of those and keep soldering stuff. So what I'm going to try to do is make a reusable IC socket and be able to put this chip in there in such a way that it lays with all of its pins touching these pins. And the way I'm doing that is I printed this little housing, and there's super tiny holes, and some of them didn't go all the way through, and I had to clear them out with a small drill bit. But they're a little bit undersized, so that when I can puncture through with the tweezers and it holds tight. And then I just bend it to the guide. So here's all 8 in place. So the real test will be, the continuity to see if all the pins are actually connecting. And the last thing is to just glue those pins and try to keep them in place. And the chip just sits in there like that. My thought to put some down pressure to make sure all the pins connect is put 2 holes through in the front and the back. Finally got that locking pin in, and I kind of like how that works. I can almost rotate it until it pushes down on the chip more. And then this is my multimeter, actually, set up for continuity. Pin 3 has no connection. I had to use the screwdriver and just push down on some of the pins to get them to make contact. And now I don't have to touch it, and all 8 pins are connected. I think that this took me about an hour start to finish making this little carrier. So that should save me an hour each time I have to replace a chip. And the other thing is, once I get done with this project, I can reuse that. So I'm pretty happy about that.